So setting my shutter speed 1/50. Autofocus on this pet's welcome sign. Let's go, and that will do, I think. So in this one we're going to walk around and shoot some stock footage to sell, earn money. And I think it's an amazing idea in general to shoot stock videos on your iPhone. If you want to get a brand new iPhone, you can buy this iPhone 15 Pro, for example, then shoot some stock videos using Apple Lock, sell them, and pay for your phone. So today we had the Riga Pride event. I wanted to attend it to shoot some stock videos, but I couldn't make it. And I went to the park where everything was held, but nothing is there anymore. That means we are going to walk a little bit and shoot everything we will see around. For example, these signs about disabled people. Just like that, every video around 10-15 seconds. Can you imagine this idea that every clip that you take right now can be sold for example, 20 euros or dollars? That means you are walking like that and you are getting $20 there, 20 euros there, maybe. Of course, there is a possibility that you won't get anything for that, but I think it's worth trying. You ask me why? Because you get your expensive phone and you have this ability to shoot amazing quality videos and sell them just like that. Why not to use this opportunity? I'm going to shoot a series of these videos telling you what's sold, what not, and how it goes. If you like this idea, you can follow me by subscribing, of course, but more, you can join video stocks, for example, shutterstock.com, and go around, shoot videos too, upload them, sell them, make money. And in the comments you can write how many you sold, how many you have earned, and so on. There will be a link in the description, my Shutterstock referral link that you can use to sign up for Shutterstock, shoot videos with me, and we will build this stock footage community. Maybe. Okay, let's see. I will dock somewhere here, set 24mm focus thingy, focus in front a little bit so that everything is blurry. Start shooting and panning left, just like this scooter boy adds to the frame very much. Let's see, maybe set 48mm and wait, set your shutter stock to 125. Where is it? Focus. Okay, let's cross the road. No, it doesn't work. Let's follow these people. I see the beautiful sunset there, and probably we can shoot some backgrounds just like that too. This mount is not very cool, so let's shoot and walk like ninjas, alright? So that no shaking. Gotta be a bit closer. Is it recording even? Yes, it does record. Like that. They're so fast. Let's go. Very fast people. And very beautiful sunset. Okay, follow them. Maybe I can focus on these rocks so that the frame is not very generic, you know. Let's do 24mm. And again, they're so fast. Focus to the side. No, this autofocus kicks in all the time. Do like that. I hate that these people walk so fast. Can't keep with them and shoot at the same time. But we will try to get them and shoot some backgrounds. Maybe 48 even better. And focus to this foreground. Let's go. And again, autofocus kicks in this Blackmagic Camera app. Is it a bug? It bugs me a lot. So this frame is like Sunset Street, background abstract with a bus passing by. Maybe I should do a static one. Do you think this video is kinda random right now? Maybe it is. Right, so I like that we are open sign, but I don't know if you can see. The downside is it's on some kind of book background. Maybe it has some copyright issues. I'm setting ISO 160, shutter speed 1/50. Now ISO should go to 80, just like that. Can you see it even? And let's take the shot. I'm doing a bit of a parallax like that, but I don't like the sky that comes inside my shot. I will put the building more in my frame and come inside this book, you know, and maybe go back a little bit. Just like that. Maybe another one right from the bottom, looking up and doing a little parallax effect. These loud bikes, really hate them. Maybe just coffee and can you see that? I doubt it. Okay, coffee. Just 10 seconds of coffee, and I don't know who will need that on stocks, but do you know some crappy stuff sells all the time? So you never know, you never know. By the way, can you drop your comments what you sell on stock and how much you earn? What was your most selling piece, most expensive piece? It will be really cool to read, to be happy for you. I can see this Canadian flag over there. I can use my X3 camera. If I had iPhone 15 Pro Max with a 5x zoom, it would be much easier to shoot this one, but I hope 3x will do just fine, 77mm, just as it says here. So it's kind of bright. I will lower my ISO to 18 and shutter 1/50 will do. So crawling near this Canadian flag, 1, 2, 3. Then there is a music playing. I have to talk a lot so that copyright claim won't come from YouTube, yeah. So I'm looking at this Canadian flag right now and starting to shoot it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not flattering. It's actually not flattering at all. I'm not flattened by that, or how they say. Come on, come on. Oh yes, spread your wings. Let me see you and shoot over this historical building with the mix of modern glass building. Okay, let me do it again. I made a few steps closer to the flag. Well, it's not flattering again, and that's a very bad sign. Oh, let's go. And I can see that it's backside, not upside down, but flipped over. So maybe I will have to flip my image so that the flag is from left to right, if you understand what I mean. So as you heard already, I'm shooting in Apple log, and that means videos come more or less looking like from my actual Canon R6, and it's easier to grade and much easier to preserve every color, dynamic range, so on, 10-bit color, ProRes LT, and that's actually how I export my stock footage to ProRes LT. It doesn't really affect my sales, but I like that the quality is higher. Well, from here I can shoot a background with a city that is living its nightlife. No, this autofocus again ruins everything. Okay, this will do. Just like that, some background. I will switch to 48mm, and this kind of background with people having fun on terraces, summer city life, it's nightlife, there's a lot of people participating in that. And I hope it will sell and make many monies. I don't know, if I say a lot of sell, make money, earn, become rich, will this video be more like a financial video? Who knows. Anyway, let's see what we can shoot more. I know a place with one huge LGBT flag, and I want to go there and shoot it before it's too late. You also see what I see? It's another VC sign that we can shoot, sell, and make money. Let's see. So the lens is 48mm, Let's go, autofocus, doing a bit of parallax stuff. No, I got that какое-то видео новое, Russian. CCTV is an action phrase. That's bad. Okay, I'll try panning up just a little bit. So we're going up, 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 just in real time. Stop. No. Okay, I will cut that a little bit there. Maybe these signs will do too. Let's see. I hope you can see something. Tilt it to the right, focus here, and let's see. So it's a disabled sign, toilet sign, and a boy and girl sign. So not a pride community theme. Yeah, so today I was late for the Pride party to shoot stock footage, and right now I can see no signs of Pride anywhere. I think this sign can earn like millions, okay? Let's focus on that. Do the straight line. And where are my guidelines? What the and pen up, just like that. So what are my guidelines? Monitor, guides. There in front I can see some construction stuff. Okay, let's just do that like that. Pan back a little bit. My guides are gone. What happened? When I relaunched the app, nothing came back. Okay, LGBT content coming up. How to get back my guides? Does anyone know? Display histogram. Okay, doesn't matter. My mic is still going. 40 minutes already. And the time bar is like that, but it's not running. Okay, now it runs. So I'm approaching this large flag. I'll have to turn left and to take some photos of that. There is a security guy sitting. Does it mean we'll need to get tickets for that? Here's the gay club of Riga called Skapis, and a lot of people standing there. Maybe we can shoot some backgrounds about that. I don't know, we can try, of course. So focus on the foreground. Come on, what's happening? Let's go, panning up. You can call it something like a lot of people going to party. Okay, so it will be it for today because SD card is full. I will write what's sold in the next videos. Subscribe, join my Shutterstock link in the background, and kisses.